I'm Krisha of Solid Tipid Tips PH, 35 years old, and I am a multitasking mom ng Cainta Rizal.
Bakit sulit tipid tips
From
PH?
its word, I am sharing tips, guide, and affordable finds na talagang makakasigurado sa quality, sulit at tipid.
Tell me a short story about yourself.
I used to work as a VA and I love doing graphic design. Pero mas pinili kong mag-focus sa anak ko who has special needs. Totoo, mahal ang therapy. Pero I find this content creation as a profession. And mahilig din po ako mag-post ng mga videos niya na nakikita ko po yung progress niya. And nakakatuwa nga po na nai-inspire ko rin pala yung mga ibang mommies na same situation sa akin.
Why you join Live to Shine?
Joining Live to Shine is a huge step for me. Sa totoo lang po, kinakabahan po talaga ako kasi this is my first time to join and I feel like ang dami ko pong kailangang matutunan. Pero that's why I'm here to learn, to grow, and hopefully to shine in my own simple way. And with the 3-day training of Live to Shine, I know there is something that will stay with me forever and this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So, hopefully po na ma-inspire ko din kayo. Kaya please follow us, Solid Tipid Tips PH. And para updated po kayo sa mga kaganapan dito sa Live to Shine. Thank you po!